So I got a long one and I got a really long one.
Take the really long one.
All right, you got the really long one. I'll keep the semi-long one. Oh, I forgot to take something out.
You just gotta do that. Next thing you know, stuck on something?
I got you. 1 second.
No, definitely.
Yeah, we gotta unplug that. It's taking care of the battery right now.
Freezing.
Next, rear seats.
Screwdriver is gonna be in here. It requires more work.
Strong boy. Now that we got everything out, almost everything out, voila. We can declare her gutted, right?
Almost.
Right?
Almost.
Okay, okay. Almost there.
Hens every single ounce, bro.
Every
ounce.
single little bit. Even under here. I'm sure there's something under here. Look, take that spare tire
We're
out.
taking the
You don't
tire
need no
out.
spare
We're taking
tire.
the tire out.
We're doing it. Hey, yo, bro, you got a pen?
I've been looking for this.
Oh, God. This fell in.
Oops.
Add to the collection.
Figured.
Alright, I guess we'll start with this. I might have to stop recording. Oh, come on. See, that's pretty good storage. Hell yeah. Yeah, she's definitely lighter.